today we're replacing that. This will be a fun one, and I'm going to have a better camera angle, and I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. Won't be no mess ups this time, guys. So let's get to it. Let's have some fun. Okay, first thing I want to say is that this new latch that I got, this one I just got from LMC, it's a really nice piece. Now, I didn't go through Amazon this time because I really couldn't get a good definition from Amazon if this was actually the correct piece. Okay, because this has specific bolt holes in it for using it for that latch. Okay, it's on a regular latch like that, they're both coming in from the back straight, and on a door handle they have one coming in straight, one coming in from the side. If you've ever done one, you know there's one that comes in from the side. It's at an angle. Well, every picture, every blow up, everything I looked at online, Amazon, they couldn't give me a specific picture of the one I was looking for, the one with the two bolts that come in straight from the back. So I went through LMC and I paid, I think, $4 more through LMC. But oh my God, is this a nice piece? This is a really solid, heavy, metallic. It's metal. It's not a plastic repop, it's metal. And this is a really nice piece. It comes with a new clip. Everything that it should have. It comes with a new gasket. This one is going to be a good redo. So let's get to it. Let's get this thing down and get the panel off of it, and we'll go from there. Step one, take off the door panel. Okay guys, I don't know if you do this, but I'm just asking, and put the things down there below in the comments, but this is my screw catcher. I've had this bowl. I stole this from my parents 35-40 years ago, and this is the one that I've used forever just to catch nuts and bolts when I'm taking something apart. Put it down, and this is what everything is going to go in. So whatever I take off is going in that bowl. So just let me know if you guys do this too. And yes, again, I am using my 10-year-old trusty dusty Black & Decker smart driver. Man, this has been such a cool little tool. Okay, clips off. Clips off. All right, see right down there, clips off. So now all we gotta do is 2 bolts and we're out. Well, I don't know if you see the problem. So if you can see daylight for one of your mounting lugs for the bolts in the back, that's a problem. That's why we're replacing this. As you remember my other video, I always said you got to make sure that lock mechanism goes above the metal so that it works correctly. There it is. So that's perfect. I mean, I didn't have to, if you watch my other videos, you know I had to take a file to the other ones. This one, look at that. That's beautiful. I mean, I couldn't be happier with this LMC truck piece. Okay, we're going to put our arm back on. Remember, get that in focus for you. Those little tabs go up, and that little tab in the back goes in that hole. Okay, it goes in that hole. All right, tab in the hole. Perfect. Beautiful. All right, clip ready to go. Tape trick. See if I can get an angle on this for you here. Here's the rod. Right down here. Here's the rod. It needs to go in that hole. Just as simple as using your extra long to get it in place. And then we're just gonna push it in place. See how it's in the hole right there? In those pliers, and we're just gonna slide that clip up into place and lock it in that. See that little hole right there? That clip needs to lock into that hole, or else it's gonna rattle loose, and you're gonna have to be back in here again. We don't want to do that. All right, guys, let me show you one thing. See that clip right there that's on that door handle? I had to flip it because it was on the wrong way. That rod has to come in from this side, okay? And that clip needs to grab a hold of that thing on the other side. So got to check that to make sure that that clip is oriented the correct way. so that that rod that's got the threads on it, bloop, goes right back in that hole. Cover plate back on. Okay, she's done. She's back on, and she's like she should. All right, old, busted, broke, and the bowl is empty, boys, except for one clip. Remember what we do with clips? We always save clips. Boom. Oh, look at that, like butter. Okay, just remember, watch the orientation of those clips and make sure that they're put on the right way so that you can get the rods back in and get them locked into place, because you know we want to do this job one time. Everything went real smooth. I did have to bend one of the attachment bolt tanges back a little bit to get it to line up with the bolt hole. Other than that, that was a beautiful little piece of work. I mean, it's great. I can't say anything better about LMC truck quality of the stuff they sent me. It was spot on. It was great. Okay, so give me one of those if you're still here and you're happy. Like, share, and subscribe. Y'all have a great day, because this kind of job makes the day even better. Y'all be good.